welcome back to my channel. I'm Sekayi and today I'm going to be cooking. I want to make brunch for you guys and I'm going to show you what I'm going to make. So the first thing that I'm going to make is I'm going to make cupcakes. So one thing I've seen is that if you're cooking for a small group, it's very easy if you get those pre-mixes because you use less ingredients and then just gets ready faster. So I'm using this easy mix for chocolate muffins. So I'm just going to pour that here. It's so easy. Then after I pour that into the bowl, I'm going to get 2 eggs. I'm going to just break. Okay, this is actually hard. Why is it hard to break again? Okay, yeah. So 2 eggs, and then add some cooking oil. It's supposed to measure it out, but I really made that, so yeah, just like my ancestors would tell me that, yeah. And some water. So the measurements are actually on the pack, but like I've been making this for a long time, so I kind of like know the estimates. So for the actual measurements, you need 160 ml of cooking oil and 200 ml of water. So you mix that and just pour that into your easy mix. Then when you mix the baked stuff, you don't have to like mix it too much. So you just mix it lightly until everything has just incorporated. Yeah. Okay, I think I need to put enough water. Just put a little bit more. So you see how it just looks so nice and so chocolatey. So after that, now I'm going to put these cupcake, what do you call this? Cupcake papers. I don't know if you call them cupcake papers. You just put them into your baking pan. I chose this because I think the design is really nice, and I know I was making chocolate muffins, so because of the brown color that's there, I think it's just going to be good. So you just put that in there. And when you're done with that, now put the mix into this until it's like almost full. So you just have to put it until it's almost full. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. So before you start doing all these, you have to switch on the oven in advance. So I've already switched on the oven and set to 180 degrees Celsius so that it's already preheated by the time you're baking. Okay, so now the muffins are ready. So now I'm just going to put them in the oven to bake. Now I'm supposed to bake them for about 20 minutes. So just put them in the oven and in 20 minutes they'll be ready. So while the muffins are in the oven baking, I'm now going to make my second meal, which is like these ham and cheese sliders. So I got these hamburger rolls, and I'm just going to like open them up and then put them on the baking tray and just put them side by side. So after that is done, I don't want my burgers to be too dry. Not burgers, ham and cheese sliders. So I'm going to also just put a bit of margarine on them. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of margarine. And as I am doing that, I'll also melt some margarine and some seeds. So you can use sesame seeds or any seeds that you can put on top of that. So I'm going to melt these in the microwave. And then I'll just line the slider with some ham. After we put the ham, now we're going to put some cheese. So the cheese that I'm using is a mental cheese. I've never used this cheese, but then everybody uses it. So I want to try it today. I hope it comes out nice. I think it's a little better than cheddar for sandwiches. So I'm using a mental cheese. So after we put the cheese, we're just going to close all the pans. Close them up, just. So now when you're done with that, you get your margarine from the microwave. Just brush the bun with the margarine. So now after you do that, you're set. So these are going to go into the oven, and then just going to bake them for just a few minutes just to melt the cheese. So I'll put them in the oven. Then yeah, so that will be our second thing on brunch. So as we wait for the cheese to melt down on the sliders, I'm going to make the third thing. And for the third thing, I'm just making this granola, muesli, yogurt thing. I don't know what I can call it, but just got some muesli and yogurt and stuff and some fruit. So it looks better with strawberries, but I couldn't find strawberries. So we're going to use an apple and some yogurt. I'm using two types of yogurt because I just want like some color and everything, and I love vanilla yogurt. So vanilla yogurt tastes really nice, mostly. So I got these muesli packs, and I'm just going to use this granola to just set up. This one you don't even have to cook, so it's just like setting up things to just look nice in the glass. So I'm going to chop some apples. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to just chop them down, chop them down. So I'm chopping them into some into cubes and some into like these semicircles, and then the others will just be into like tiny cubes. So now I'm going to layer it. So like now this is just like I'm just winging it. Maybe I'll set them up differently in the different glasses. Bottom, just a little bit of muesli. Then add some vanilla yogurt. Then you just poke. After that, I just want to throw in some chopped apples. Okay. Yeah. Someone doesn't get apples, that's fine. After the chopped apples, I'm going to add the remaining muesli, just like 2 scoops on each. Or 1, I don't know, okay, whatever is it. Finally, we're going to add some, what's this? Mixed berry yogurt. I like the mixed berry yogurt because of the color. That looks good, but I want more muesli. I think I need to add more. Finally, we're going to add just a dollop of vanilla yogurt on top. Or raspberry yogurt for the others. And now to finish up, we're going to add the apple slices just to make it look cute. Oh my god! So that's our third thing. You know, I guess we have some fruit. Yes, that's our third thing. So I just put this in the fridge to chill. So now our muffins are ready and they look so cute. So now what I'm gonna do is just remove them from the pan, and they're easy to take out because of the paper, of the cupcake wrap. So that's done. I don't know how they came out different sizes, but mine will be the biggest. So that's our muffins. They're done, and we'll just let them cook off before we finally clean out. Okay, so for this next meal, I'm just going to introduce the ingredients that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use bacon, some eggs, some cooking oil, salt and pepper, salt and pepper is a must when you do cooking, and some cheese, cheddar cheese. It's like a lasagna cheese. And bread. Yeah, so the bread is just something that I thought I would do like later on. So I'll start with, I'm just going to fry the bacon. So just heat some oil. This is how I fry my bacon. So just put all there. Maybe more oil. So as we are frying the bacon, we're just gonna crumble some eggs in here. Then just make some salt, some pepper. Just be mindful to take on the bacon. What thing we're going to do is, as we are waiting, we also just grate some cheese. So now the bacon is all crispy and also I'm just going to get that out onto my chopping board. So after you've chopped your bacon, you now want to just chop your bread. So it's easier if you have a cookie cutter because you can just cut circles and just put it there. But I don't have a cookie cutter, so I'm just going to cut little squares that I'm just going to put at the base of the. So I'm making, I think we're going to call it quiche, but with a twist. After you've chopped your bread, you just want to layer all these bread pieces at the bottom of your muffin pan. Just layer it at the bottom. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to pour egg into this. So after that, I'm going to also put some bacon. And finally, we just top all this off with some cheese. So now, that was our last meal. We are all set. So now what we're going to do is just going to bake this. A lot of baking today, I know, right? So we're going to bake this for like maybe 20 minutes. So we're going to bake this for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I think that would be enough. Then yeah, then we're going to see how it all comes out. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining me as I made this lovely brunch. So what we made is these amazing chocolate muffins, and we made some, this is like a twist on the quiche, and we made this, it's like this is like a dessert for the brunch, you know, because it's like sweet. And then we also made this. Now I really want to try if the cheese is going to do that thing. It does. Yay! This is amazing. Let me try it. So yeah, this is what we made. So you can have this with like coffee or juice or anything. Yeah. So I hope you guys can try this brunch out and share it with your friends. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye.